Good evening.
Good evening.
Today we have three candidates, Naveen, Ashish and Akash. Trio of them, Trio of them have prepared a topic on conscious mind, subconscious mind and unconscious mind. At their own they have prepared. Now they are just coming on the stage just to go for debates. Because trio of them are saying, I'm the best, I'm the best, I'm the best. Now we would see and we would analyze in real terms, as a matter of fact, who is the best. So give them a big hand.
Hi friends, good evening. I tell something about conscious mind. Conscious means awareness. Everyone know meaning of awareness. Awareness means you know very well to anything. Nowadays, our growth has decreased day by day. Our finance minister always told, I decrease the inflation in our India and increase the currency. But he did not find such type of solution. He always make a good plan, make a promise with us and our society, but day before 1 and 2 days close all the things. And we talk about our awareness, about our health. Everyone know if we want good health, we take a fresh food and never use rotate foods and outside of market. We always take healthy and hygienic foods. We awareness about our personality. We always get up early in the morning and go to office on time or school and close or wind all the things in office and school and come at home on time. So thanks.
Now is the turn of Sarah.
I am writing about the subconscious. A person who can do anything, but he can't. He doesn't know about what I am and what can I do for anything. A person who doesn't know I can do anything. I have a story. Once there was an old lady who can't walk and run with proper manner because she was helpless. But she always muttering in anger. And she lived in a hut. And she always used to sleep in his cot. Once she doesn't like his son and son's wife. Then one day his son went to his market, to his office. Then she was sleeping on his cot, and after some time the cot got fire, and his little grandchild was sleeping inside the hut. Then she saw the fire. He walked and fast, running or to jump to his grandchild and got hold him and went out of the hut. Then after some time when he run away from here, then his son come, Ma, how can you run very fastly and how can you do this, because you can't be run very fastly and can't be jump, how can you do that? Then it is so to be very because when his mom said that no, I am feeling stiffness in my all the body, then we can say that a person who can do anything but he can't, that we can say that his grandma ain't come in the substance. Thank you.
Now is the turn of Ashish.
Good evening friends. Today I am letting you know about the unconscious mind. Unconscious means ignorance. An ignorant person can't do anything in his life. Ignorant person can't Ignorant person can't catch any success. Ignorant person might be a lazy person, because when the opportunities has knocked at their door, they always ignore the opportunities and sleep like a log. And when the opportunities go away, they just curse the God. But it is wrong. They just assassinate the natural opportunities. They just procrastinate, and unconscious man can't do anything in his life. So we can't want to the unconscious man, but we just want to the conscious man. Thank you.